Hi everyone, and welcome to my presentation on the profession of social work and its practice. The objectives we are going to cover the objectives that we are going to cover is to let you know that it is expected to need professional help throughout trying or troubling times in our lives. Common reasons why adolescents would need a social worker, warning signs of adolescents under stress, and a relatable story to that topic. You're going to hear a poem of mine entitled "To Get By" with a little help from my friends, and you're going to finish off listening to an enjoyable song. It is alright to need assistance from social workers throughout the ups and downs we all encounter throughout our life journey. A common myth is that social workers are only needed to assist individuals who rely on government welfare because we or they live within or below the poverty line, or that social workers only assist individuals who have a chronic illness and or mental illness like bipolar disorder, borderline personality disorder, or schizophrenia. The truth is that social workers are there for all individuals who need assistance. We are specialized and trained to help you when you are most vulnerable or going through a difficult time in your life. It is okay to ask for assistance from a social worker when you are confused about something. In fact, social workers encourage individuals to be honest with us and to communicate their difficulties so that we can address your issues adequately and progress in a beneficial and positive manner throughout a therapeutic relationship. Social workers aim to make you feel comfortable opening up to us. That is our goal in our profession. Social workers and other helping professionals have the values, knowledge, and specific skill sets to help those people in need. And if we do not, it is our ethical duty to provide you with resources, individuals, and your organizations who can most adequately address your issues and benefit you. Common reasons why adolescents would need a social worker: family relationship problems like your parents divorcing, romantic relationship issues, fighting with your friends, mental or emotional health like living chronically with anxiety and or depression, physical health needs like limited mobility, school performance, bullying, substance and or alcohol abuse, sexuality, and other high-risk behaviors and or factors. An example of an adolescent needing a social worker would be a student within a school setting attempting suicide by overdosing on drugs because of a traumatic breakup. That is definitely a crisis situation where a school social worker would be needed. Warning signs of adolescents under stress: low self-esteem and defensiveness. You are acting out of character in a negative manner. Class failure, and are not going to school phobia, defiance towards authority figures like parents, teachers, and or the police, suicidal ideation, running away from home, choosing the wrong friends. You remember, in life you are who you associate yourself with. So please make it an effort to surround yourself with positive and supportive people in your lives. Impulsive behavior like shoplifting, getting in trouble with the law, abusing alcohol and or drugs, social isolation, eating disorders, overeating or binge eating, not eating or anorexia, and self-induced vomiting or bulimia. And self-injurious behavior like burning your skin or cutting yourself. And my poem, entitled "I Get By with Little Help from My Friends." We are all in need of a helping hand sometimes because life hands us many ups and downs. The visibility of limitations or assistance an individual needs varies for each person. However, we all have our own unique story and individual struggles. We all have scars. It is just a matter of their placement on your body and how visible they are. Indeed, for some people, their flaws, their deficits, their shortcomings, what have you, are very prominent, very visible for others to see. And for some people, it's more difficult to see. But remember that nobody's perfect, and we all have deficits. Some individuals bruise more easily than others. So remember to treat each other with kindness, respect, and empathy. Indeed, follow the golden rule where you treat others as how you'd want to be treated. And always remember, just as Tupac Shakur once said, only God can judge me. Because the Lord knows that things seem less intimidating when we can all make each other stronger by building each other up and uniting for a single and our common goal. And I'll leave you with a little Billy Weathers, Lean on Me. Thank you for your time and attention. This is, yes. I'm just,